everyone, this is James from Nerds Talking Nerdy, and I'm bringing you an unboxing video. Tonight we're going to unbox some Nostalgix TCG. Now I got one of the base set starter decks, the Turn Up Time. It comes with the foil Engineer 1P Turn Up Time because they're little vegetable guys. You see, they even have little cute like Letterman jackets. I like the art's really cute. And yeah, this comes with a 50 card ready to play deck, one foil hero card, which we saw, and we got 4 dice for hero health and mana tracking, and a how to play guide for this game. And they also include the deck list on the back. I love the shape of the box. I think the art's really cute. I like the little guy in the turn up mech. I'm excited to open that. All right, and then we also have one of the base set booster boxes. This is one of the day 0 editions. There's 36 packs that come in here, 10 cards per pack. 6 of those slots are commons, 3 are uncommons, and you got 1 for rare. You have the possibility to pull what are called void rares, which have a black border. That's the next level up, kind of equivalent to your mythic rare. And then your chase cards are a gold rare, which have a gold border. And hopefully they're all shiny, holographic. I'm excited to rip this open. All right, so let's see what we get. I like the shape of this box. It's very distinct from other card games. It's kind of like an A-wing fighter. All right, we got the too destructive right away. Alright, so here's our little how-to guide. Nice pocket size. Okay. And get our deck out. Oh, and then we have just some nice D10s. Pretty cool. Yeah, so let's take a look at the cards they gave us. Yeah, so here's our engineer. Turn off. Oh, I like this guy. Look at this guy. Pack T. Prickle Punch, bulk up. I really like the art of this game. It's like really cute. I just bicep this. Really cool. Alright, Vigilanda, Panbu, little guys. Ah, Lucky Frog. Yeah. It's very interesting that. Yeah, seems like a fun game for anyone who's kind of tired of the big card games. They're like burnt out of Magic, burnt out of Yu-Gi-Oh, Pokemon. This is actually a Kickstarter game. They raised about $1 million. And it's just a collective of like, I guess, online artists. And yeah. Pretty cool, and then they're coming out with a new pack this June, which is exciting. Alright, I'm excited to sleeve that up and learn how to play. Alright, let's get the engineer. Alright, so let's crack open this booster box and see what we get. We get more of this guy. I like the Lucky Frog. Hopefully we'll get lucky. Alright, let's see. Alright, some of our commons, Chains of Deep, Reduced. Ooh, oh, look at this. So I believe she's rare. I kind of like her. Alright. Let's keep you to the side. Alright, so we got Silk Storm, 8 Binding, Infinity Scarf. Shine, I like that. Alright, keep that. Alright, let's see. Alright, here's our commons. Resolve, Wooden Boomerang, another bamboo. Oh, look at that nose. Fruit Bloom. Jump Dragon. Stack of foxes. Another pile of foxes. Okay. Excited to see what kind of decks I can build. Alright. Level playing field. Our boy Biceptus. Little shield. Fast forward. Oh, look at this guy. Oh, look at that art. That's very like Majora's Mask. It's pretty cool. That's our rare. 5-wire. Tornado Ducks. I'm liking this art a lot. It's... Alright, let's see what we get on the next pack. Pressure plate. Liddy. Slug slime. Oh, look at this guy. Little owl on a clock. He's adorable. Biceptus Blast. Look, it's our guy. He's attacking. Squirrel of Distraction. All right, here's our rare Destructa. Interesting. Rage of the Machine, Seek and Destroy. Alright, Pyrox. Night Owl. The feel of these cards too. Nice backs. Alright, let's see. Pigma. Deep. I like that. I like whenever art leads into the borders. It's really cool. Oh, and we got a hero, Vix of the Six. Alright, once per turn you may pay 1 mana to deal 1 damage to any fighter hero. Sweet. So you're just constantly pinging your opponent so you can give them a faster clock. That's pretty cool. Alright, we'll put you over there. Alright, another pack of our guy, the Lucky Frog. Ooh, 2 tutorial level. Little jokes are pretty good. Ooh! Got a gold rare. Nice. Oh, look at that. Look at that sparkle. I'm going to sleeve this right away. Sweet. Nice to get a gold rare. Now, I love this art. Like, it's great. Like, this would be a great tattoo right on the arm or you side the van. Just to let everyone know you mean business. It's so cool. Sweet. All right, I got a special seat for you. You can chill out over here. Watch all the other cards. All right. Oh, Cadaver. All right. Pretty good find so far, and we got tons of packs left. All right. It's pretty cool that the rare is like the fourth to last, so at least know when to kind of slow down. Pressure plate. Slate, another Liddy. Yeah, it's gonna be our comments. Oh, another one. Little owl guy. Cuckoo. Oh, nice. Here's our rare. Kairos goes with little guy here. Oh, alright. Landa. Alright. What's this? Rule 4. You can choose which direction this card faces when played. This player can't have more than 4 fighters per play. Tokens don't count towards this. Oh, cool. See, maybe like a token strategy and you just have more fighters than your opponent. That's pretty cool. Alright. Not saying we're gonna get 10 more gold rares, but that would be pretty awesome. Another Biceptus Blast, another Squirrel of Distraction. Alright. Show. Oh, pay off? Okay. Alright, we got another hero. Breaking the Miner. Once per turn, you may gain 1 temporary mana, lose 3 health. Alright. Get a little head on mana. Witchy Long Legs. Oh man, hat trick party. I'm liking these little guys. Alright. Here we go. Nope. Look at those glasses on the turnip. I'm gonna slip that into the starter deck. All right, timeline. All right, so next card after this is no, it's our comments though. Oh, Voodoo. Pretty cool. Oh, extra life. Return a fighter from either player's void to play under your control. Oh, I like that, a little reanimator style. Alright, so we'll put that in my rare pile. Alright, Athena, she's gonna go with the little angel over here. Alright, Soul Jar. Ooh, look at this. Spirit, Shadow Raid. Deal any amount of non-fatal damage to that fighter. Deal an equal amount of damage to any other fighter or hero. Oh yeah, it's like Doom or Daggerfall. Yeah, I like this art. This is a lot of fun. Lunch break. Look at that little guy. Complete yeet. Gotta love it. Lucky draw, more lucky frog. Let's see. Sarah. One trick pony. It's like a little haste guy. Alright, BB. And so, oh, we got another gold rare. Sweet. Valkyrian? Yeah. Holy Life Touch. When this character deals damage, heal your hero by the same amount. Holy Smite. Resurrection. Revive a voided fighter of yours. You can't attack with this Valkyrian again until your next turn. Oh, nice. Sweet. Let's sleeve her up. Keep her with the rest, but nice. 2 golds. Proving Grounds. Okay. Interesting. Another Stack of Fox. Okay. Sweet. Let's keep chugging along. Alright. Yellow card. I have to say I'm not a big fan of like puns but I like this double entendre stuff. Yellow card. Witchy's hat drop. You got the nostalgic card printed on there. I like this a lot. Alright. What do we got? Oh yeah, Lucky Frog Merchant. Okay. Sweet. Once per turn, you may pay 1 mana to draw 1 card. Void 2 cards from the top of your deck. Alright. We're getting the heroes, so I'm excited. try and make some stuff. Massive effect. Oh, my favorite type of cards. Draw 3 cards, then discard 2 from your entire hand. Wow. Fish out of water. Oh, this is pretty good. Alright, I'm liking these bowls. Alright, we got Berserker Rage, Springboard. Ooh. It's kind of like a Zoid. Voltron. Right. Oh, we got our guy from the starter deck. Sweet. Mr. Turnip. Alright. Oh, I like that art. Oh, I think we have friend. Oh, yeah. Lucky Frog Merchant. Void Rare. Holographic. Look at the shine on that card. That's a beautiful card. Let's get another special chair for you. Nice. Bowls for days. And Lucky Frog. Oh, those are those Letterman jackets. They should definitely make that and sell it. I would definitely buy one. Generate. Okay. Sweet. So we got a Void Rare holographic. We got a Gold Rare holographic. We're on a roll. Alright, saving grace. I love this little guy. Let's keep getting through the... What's this? Regular rare, gold border, meringue. Okay. Keepers and these. Pretty good, pretty good. Alright. Chugging along. Alright, save the day. Ooh, nice. Drask. Shield of Allure and Mockery. Nice. Oh, another hero. Right. The last, once per turn, you may add 1 prize counter to your opponent's pool, lose 5 life. Alright. Okay. Supermassive slingshot. Use one of those. Alright, Stumpkin. Alright, let's see. Ooh, another gold. Tacoon. Look at that shine, guys. I like these holographs so much. Oh yeah, we're gonna sleeve that guy up. Some cool stuff. Alright. Sleeved and put in a safe spot. Like not even halfway through. Alright, let's cruise through these commons. Alright. Another hero. Alright, Detective Mako. Alright, once per turn, you may pay 1 mana to reveal any face-down card or look at the top card of your deck. Okay. Ha! Nice. Look at that. I like that. Alright, put you with the other rares.
and thanks for joining us today for this unboxing and card pulling for Nostalgix TCG. Huge thank you to our friends over at Nostalgix TCG for providing us with these awesome cards. Make sure you head to your local game store and check out this adorable and super fun TCG for yourself. It's definitely worth it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss our next video, and we will see you next time. Bye, nerds.